So we're gonna do some training to maintain my strength because I've been taking a break from the gym because I messed up my wrist pretty bad. Like, it's been injured for a long time. So that's why I've been giving myself a break so I can kind of heal it, because I just heal it for a bit and then go back, and then eventually it starts hurting again for some reason. But I don't know, I'll give it some time to heal. And I think that's my best recommendation. Take a break when you have to, you know, and when you need to, right? So if you don't take a break, it's really gonna cost you more than it's gonna benefit you, you know? If you overexert yourself too much, like way too much, and you know, you get injured and you continue to work on that injury, you know, like you continue to work out with that injury, you know, you're just gonna make it worse. And then it's gonna stay messed up for a long time, and you're not gonna be exerting yourself at your top, you know, percentage top amount. And then, like, you know, if you just let it heal, you can go back to, you know, going crazy in the gym, you know, once it fully heals. So that's the main thing. But this video is basically just like a Looksmaxxing tutorial slash how to look better for men, you know, self-improvement type stuff for, you know, the youth. And, you know, I'm still young, but yeah, the youth and, you know, everybody else who's trying to just look better. But yeah, I just turned 17, January 19th. So yeah, happy birthday to me. So, you know, take everything with a grain of salt, but mainly all of my tips are gonna be pretty good.
Not unique whatsoever. Like, how about you teach us how to grow our dicks, bruh?
I don't really like the Looksmaxxing like community online nowadays. I don't like how Looksmaxxing and the incel like community is sort of intertwined in a way, because, you know, do not go on any Looksmaxxing forums because you will get fucking flamed. You'll get flamed even if you're a good looking dude. So like, just like take everything that people say with a grain of salt, but you know, take constructive criticism well too.
10 times better than gorilla mode, and people were saying gorilla mode was at most okay. I will butt fuck you, dude.
Yeah, so I basically wrote down maybe about 10 things with some, you know, extra side notes that should help you, you know, like improve your looks. So got the pre, and I guess we'll start drinking. But yeah, so let me look on my list. Some of this stuff is kind of copy and paste, like other people have said this before, but mine's like, it's just like, it's all, the reason why other people have said it is because like all these tips are gonna be good tips, you know? So like, you know, yeah. But my video is gonna be like, overall, this is the best video to watch, but yeah. I probably would insert like clips of what I looked like beginning of Looksmaxxing maybe a year ago, and you know, after, you know, improving my looks over time, doing things to improve my looks, you know. First thing, Looksmaxxing is kind of iffy because like you'll see all these people that look really good on the internet, and you know, they're like, oh, you gotta do this, you gotta buy this, you gotta, you know, do all these things, right? But in all honesty, whenever you look at half of these dudes, their Looksmaxxing journey or their glow up journey was just like, you know, growing up. But like, these things that I'm gonna say are gonna help you look better as you grow up, or look better now if you're already grown up, or, you know, just, yeah, just to help you, right? But a lot of it is gonna be growing up, like your facial fat, right? You'll lose a good bit of baby fat as you age, right? So you see all these people with the, you know, OG curves and stuff like that, and, you know, the hollow cheeks, and that really comes with age. Some people won't have it because some people hold on to more face fat, but, you know, it's gonna change as you grow up. So as you grow up, you're gonna start looking better, most likely. So yeah. Okay, let's head into the gym. So first I like to do some like dynamic stretches so I can get my body warmed up. And then I also warm up with like the weight. So what I'll do is I'll squat down, hold it down there for a while so I get like my muscles fully stretched, and then, you know, bounce back up. So now on to actual point number 1, because my first point was just that, like, you know, glow up will happen over time, but this is actual point 1. So the first thing to do, fix your hygiene. So that's like skincare.
You want to dry your face with the towel you use to wipe your ass.
Hair care.
Hair's just something to distract away from my ugly face. Damn.
You know, teeth, dental.
Mathematics class!
All that. So just like be clean, you know, smell good, look good. You know, when it comes to like, you know, getting rid of acne if you have acne, go to the dermatologist, go to the dentist, you know, make sure all your teeth's right and all that. And then, yeah, that's about it for the first one. Okay, so number 2, go to the gym. Get to a healthy body fat percentage if you are extremely overweight or something like that. So healthy body fat percentage for men is like 15 to 12%, and then healthy body fat for women is about 25 to 30.
So it's like, it's too much fat. Oh, I'm really good looking. I'm so good looking, I don't need to do math.
So yeah, just make sure that your overall health is good. So if you are extremely overweight, losing weight will help your face look better and also your overall health. And then if you're extremely skinny, you know, getting active and, you know, gaining some weight will not only improve your, you know, your health, but also fitness and, you know, how you look also. So it's like sort of like a mini glow up, because people will really notice whenever you start putting on some mass. I'm kind of getting tired, low-key. So yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll just throw on 15 and go for it. Whenever I was working on the farm, I got like shinned really hard by a piece of sheet metal. I'm taking off the thing by myself like how I normally do, where it's like I just yank it off and the thing shinned me. I'll give you guys a little close up. So yeah, it's gonna hurt pretty bad putting on my knee sleeves, but I'll be alright. Okay, it wasn't too bad, just slid right over. Oop. So, number 3, get braces. So, braces are gonna change your face a lot. So, basically, it's gonna make your face more harmonious and fix whatever, you know, bite problems you may have or anything like that. So, let's say you have a overprojected lower jaw, like a underbite or an overbite. Then, you know, it's gonna fix all that, or over jetted teeth, so it's, you know, spreading your lips out or something like that, or, you know, crossbite like how I had it, but I had a crossbite, and then my lower jaw was projected a lot forward, so it looked like I had an underbite. But yeah, I'll insert a photo of me from before braces and after braces, but like, braces will help a lot. So, if you can get them, get them. If you don't need them, you know, skip this. Honestly, I don't feel the pre at all. Oh, man. for and fit thing, you know, improves your style. So whether that's like, you know, clothing, so find what style fits you. So like, you know, baggy, form-fitting, goth, dapper, you know, anything, you know, dress nice, whatever. Called 5, you know, figure out whatever hairstyle fits you. So my recommendation for figuring out your hairstyle shape, look up your face shape, and then, you know, look up on Pinterest what hairstyles fit your face shape. Okay, so the gym closes at 9, and it is currently 7:47. So just trying to like get it over with, because I have like a couple more workouts after squat. The first set wasn't too bad, but I don't know, like it definitely feels a lot heavier than it would have before. I keep getting text messages mid-lift. Start seeing stars, Jesus Christ. It was kind of uneven on my back, so it was like this, but still lifted it up anyways. So yeah, since my wrists hurt, I'm just gonna hit some chest flies. Yeah. For number 6, I recommend scent maxing.
I can't breathe.
So just like start wearing fragrances, or you know, bathing better, using soap, or like using deodorant if you don't use deodorant. But yeah, you know, that's just like basic hygiene, but smell good. And if you want to like invest a little money, buy a fragrance.
What's going on here? What? Wait a minute. Are you wearing Jean-Paul Gaultier's perfume?
I recommend buying a freshie, because if you buy a freshie, like you could wear it year round. You don't really have to worry about like switching things up, right? But if you want to get into it, it's like wear a freshie in the summer, spring, and then wear like a darker or like woody, something strong in the winter, right? That looks a little odd. Looks like somebody dragged their fucking chalky balls across the seat. We're about 10 minutes from close. 7's a pretty like not too crazy one, but it's like somewhat important. Fix your posture. So just make sure like when you walk around, you know, you're not slouching over. Number 8, be confident. Like, and that's whether, you know, how you talk, how you walk, you know, just how you hold yourself up every day going out and about. Be confident. It's gonna make you be a better role model, be a better leader, and people are gonna like you more overall. It's time to kind of like rush through these sets of back, so I'm just gonna do this all real quick. So It's like kind of cold as hell, but I gotta check the pump and they just closed. So I was like, like, it's whatever, I'll just check it outside, you know? But yeah, just fix my shorts real quick. Wait, take off my mic.
One thing clear and very clear. If you are masturbating to this right now, you need help.
It's whatever. Yeah. Oh, time to head out. Okay guys, so I'm freshly out the shower and here to tell you guys the last 2 tips. Yeah, so the last 2 tips would be yourself and accept who you are, right? So at the end of the day, right, be yourself. Unless you're just a horrible person, but you know, like, if that's all you can be, I guess it is what it is. But try to be the best version of you, right? Not somebody else, because you know that person that you're pretending to be will always be one step ahead of you. Because as humans, we are, you know, like randomized, spontaneous, you know. So yeah, just don't pretend to be anybody else because you'll just be a lame version of them and not a cool version of you. So yeah, that's number 9. And number 10 is just, you know, accept who you are. So, you know, if you're doing all the right things and you still don't feel satisfied, at the end of the day, it's like there's only so much you can do. And you just have to accept how you look and, you know, be happy with who you are, you know? So they kind of go hand in hand, but yeah, just, you know, there's no reason to be insecure. Don't worry about what you can't change, but what you can change, work on it, you know? And what you can't, don't worry too much about it, you know? Don't let it ruin you, because, you know, if you're getting stressed over things that you can't even control, you know, like, what do you expect? You know, you can't do anything about it. You're just going to keep stressing, and it's never going to change. So just, you know, don't stress too much. That's best tip. Have a good night, guys, and I'll see you guys another day.